on a plant-based diet now for 8 years. So I enjoy everything that's made out of plant pretty much. And the question I get all the time is like, what do you eat, my friend? What do you eat? You only eat salads? So I guess I would make you a salad just to kind of play with that game. So here in the Netherlands, one of the most popular green is kale. So I'm making 2 plates, one for you and one for me. For the star of the show, I made my own cashew cheese. Cheese is one of the things that I miss the most with this plant-based diet, but I infused it with a delicious green tea and jasmine flower. For dinner, everybody likes to have wine. So wine, I decided to make a white wine, 0.0% of alcohol. So in this, I got some grape juice. I cold infused it with some sencha tea. So cold infusion allows it to have all the flavors. I made coconut, passion fruit, Earl Grey syrup. It's sweetened with honey and some filtered water. I've never won a competition, and so it's overwhelming. I'm really happy I took this one wholeheartedly, and I'm really happy that you enjoyed it.